Hey everyone! The Xiaomi 34-inch G34WQi 2026 arrives as a quietly launched but surprisingly well-rounded ultra-wide gaming monitor, and its rollout strategy already says a lot about Xiaomi's confidence in the product. Debuting in Australia as the first market outside China, where it is known as the Redmi G34WQ 2026, the monitor feels like a refinement of Xiaomi's established ultra-wide formula rather than a radical redesign. Despite the low-key launch, the specifications and pricing position it as a serious contender in the value-focused high-refresh gaming segment. At the core of the G34WQi 2026 is a 34-inch WQ HD panel with a 21:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 3440 by 1440. This format delivers a noticeably wider workspace than standard 16:9 displays, offering roughly 30% more screen real estate. In everyday use, this extra width makes multitasking more comfortable, allowing multiple windows to sit side by side without feeling cramped. For gaming, the ultra-wide aspect ratio enhances immersion, particularly in racing games, open-world titles, and first-person shooters that support wider fields of view. Gaming performance is clearly a priority for this monitor. The 180 Hz refresh rate is a notable step up from the more common 144 Hz standard and provides exceptionally smooth motion in fast-paced titles. Support for FreeSync Premium further strengthens the experience by synchronizing the display's refresh rate with the GPU output, reducing screen tearing and stuttering, and delivering more consistent frame pacing. In terms of image quality, the G34WQi 2026 punches above what its aggressive pricing might suggest. While this level of HDR does not deliver the dramatic highlights or deep contrast seen on higher-end HDR displays, it still adds a subtle improvement in brightness and dynamic range for compatible content. The contrast ratio of 3500:1 is particularly impressive for this class and helps preserve detail in dark scenes while keeping bright areas well-defined. Color performance is another strong point, with full 100% sRGB coverage and 95% DCI-P3 coverage, making the monitor suitable not only for gaming but also for casual content creation and media consumption. The ability to display up to 1.07 billion colors with 10-bit color support, combined with a claimed delta E below 2, suggests that color accuracy is well controlled out of the box. The physical design of the G34WQi 2026 is clean and functional, with ultra-narrow bezels that enhance the immersive feel and make the monitor well-suited for multi-display setups. The stand is highly adjustable, offering tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, and the monitor also supports 100 by 100 mm VESA mounting for users who prefer an arm or wall mount. Despite its size, the monitor remains manageable in terms of weight, coming in at 6.5 kilograms with the stand attached. Connectivity is straightforward but sufficient for most use cases. The monitor includes 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports and 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, allowing multiple devices to be connected simultaneously. There is also an audio outlet for external speakers or headphones, along with a DC input port. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Xiaomi G34WQi 2026 is its pricing. Originally launched at roughly $313, it significantly undercuts many competitors offering similar specifications. While Xiaomi has not yet confirmed availability in additional regions, the value proposition alone makes this monitor one to watch closely if and when it expands to more markets. Overall, the G34WQi 2026 stands out as a well-balanced ultra-wide gaming monitor that delivers high refresh performance, solid image quality, and ergonomic flexibility at an aggressively competitive price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.